Hey everyone, it's Epic Guide. Today I'll show you how to upload your Unity project to GitHub. First of all, you need your Unity project files in a single folder, just like this one. Now you'll need the GitHub desktop app. If you don't have the app installed, the link is in the description. Go ahead and install the app because you can't use Unity with the GitHub web version. Launch the GitHub desktop app. In the top left corner, click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add Local Repository. In the pop-up window, click on Choose. Now select your Unity project folder and click Select Folder. After choosing the folder, click on Add Repository. You'll see a message saying this isn't a Git repository. Click on Create a Repository. Make sure the name matches your project folder. Click on Git Ignore. In the pop-up, scroll down and select the Unity template. Once you're done, click on Create Repository. Depending on your project size, it may take some time to upload completely. Click Publish Repository at the top. If you want it private, check Keep this code private. If you want it public, leave it unchecked. Click Publish Repository to upload your project. Once it's done, click on View on GitHub. This will open your GitHub account in your browser. Here you can see that we've successfully uploaded a Unity project to GitHub. By following these steps, you can easily upload your Unity projects to GitHub.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.